Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the location and how to remove and replace the fuel filter on Chrysler Grand Voyager with a 2.8 liter CRD engine. The procedure is similar for Jeep and Chrysler cars with this same engine. The fuel filter on this car is located underneath the car next to the fuel tank. It's located right there on the rear of the car. And first thing we need to do is remove this electrical connector. After removing the electrical connector, next we need to unscrew this cap in order to drain the fuel from the fuel filter. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the fuel is drained, next we can remove the fuel filter. We're going to use big pliers like this. In order to turn it, we need to turn it anti-clockwise in order to get the fuel filter loose. Now we're going to replace it with a new fuel filter. This is the new fuel filter. First we're going to put this electrical connector, the cap with the electrical connector on it. We're going to put it on and tighten it. And then afterwards we're going to fill the fuel filter with diesel. You don't have to do that because this car has electrical supply fuel pump which is going to bleed the system, but I do it anyways to all the fuel filters. Next I'm going to put the fuel filter back in its place. Now that the fuel filter is replaced, I need to bleed the fuel system. I'm going to use the electrical supply fuel pump that's on the car to bleed the system. So I'm going to turn the ignition on and off for about 10 times, holding it for about 6-7 seconds when we turn the ignition on every time, and then afterwards we can start the car. And as the car started, now we can give it a little gas, just in case, to be sure that the fuel system is bled properly. And that's it. Then we can turn the ignition on and we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.